avocado.
Okay.
If you don't want the cheese, you could go vegan, yes. A little messy, yeah, definitely.
I was gonna say. Hey guys, it's Leanne with Eat Drink Local Texas, and today we're at an iconic restaurant located in the west side of San Antonio. Known for their puffy tacos and crispy dogs, this is Ray's Drive-In. Here we are at Ray's Drive-In talking with one of the owners. This is Maria Lopez Rambo. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for coming. Appreciate it.
Of course. So I actually have a few questions for you.
Okay.
This place has been here for quite a while, so tell me about that.
Ray's Drive-In opened in 1956 by my Uncle Ray,
Wow.
who was the oldest of the Lopez family.
Okay.
And a lot of the Lopez boys ended up opening restaurants, and my father included. So my Uncle Henry has a restaurant not too far away from here as well, but they all started here.
Okay.
Every single one of those Lopez kids worked here.
Wow.
So
That's
yeah,
crazy.
Their mom was the businesswoman and owned a little shop on El Paso Street over here on the west side. When they were kids, they used to sell flowers to the, on the corners.
Wow.
So they've been a part of the Lopez area over here in the west side for a very long time.
For quite some time.
Yeah.
That is crazy. So what makes your place so unique and iconic?
I think it's that history,
Right.
So generations come here. I remember sitting at a table and getting up to change the jukebox music and hearing the little lady telling her granddaughter, I was going to call her little old lady, but told her granddaughter, I used to come here when I was a little girl. And the granddaughter said, you were little, Grandma?
Yeah, it's like, yeah.
So yeah, it's been, a family place to come.
Yeah.
And
No, that's awesome. That's amazing. So let me ask you, what is like one of the most popular items here? Like, what is this place known for?
our Puffy Tacos. Back in the 50s, they used to call them crispy tacos.
Okay.
It stayed as a crispy taco until the 70s.
Okay.
And my father went to California and took his history with him and opened Arturo's Puffy Taco.
Okay.
A year later, his baby brother, Uncle Henry, asked if it was okay if he used the name because we were in different states.
Yes.
And of course, it was my dad's baby brother. Sure, go for it.
Of course.
And then it just hit. So when my uncle became ill and my dad was offered to take over this place, I mean, he couldn't wait to come back to the west side. So he took it over in the 80s and by my mom's encouraging, trademarked the Puffy Taco.
That's
because
awesome.
he came up with that name. So it just hit. I mean, it's huge.
Yeah, no, I mean, you guys are huge here in San Antonio. I mean, the Puffy Tacos, this crispy dogs. I mean, I can't wait to try out the food.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, thank you so much. I know I'm starving, so let's go and try out some food. So we're back here and we're gonna try some delicious food right now. So all of this looks amazing. and I can't wait. I'm really hungry.
Yeah, let's go.
So let's try it. So what is this first item?
The carne guisada Puffy.
Okay.
That is a staple Tex-Mex
Look at this.
carne. That is I only knew it because it's Texas, and it is not anything I think you can find anywhere else. It's just almost like a stew meat. Tender chunks of beef with its own little gravy. And in the Puffy, it's like its own little meal. It's so good.
That is so good. You can just taste the puffiness too. And I love carne guisada. Ugh, so good.
So in the Puffy, it makes it an awesome little meal.
Okay, so that was good.
Yes.
But I can't wait to try the second one. So tell me a little bit more about this.
Okay, the crispy dogs. I don't know where it started or who claimed to fame it is, but it is beyond. I mean, a little hot dog with a little slice of cheese wrapped in the corn tortilla, especially for kids that I don't want to eat, you know, that always hits home, but it's not just for kids.
Yeah, you can just taste the cheesiness, just like goo into your mouth. That was good.
Yeah, it's just
I enjoyed that.
Killer munchie.
No, I would definitely take the hunger away. Okay, so let's try the third one.
Okay.
So tell me a little bit more about this.
Well, again, for those who are not into the meat options, this was something that we thought would be killer inside a Puffy.
And so it's like vegan.
Avocado.
Okay.
If you don't want the
I love
cheese, you could go
avocado.
vegan, yes. A little messy, yeah, definitely.
I was gonna say. That is really good. I like made a mess, I'm so sorry.
That's okay, that's what it's about.
I love the avocado. It tastes so like, you know, sweet, but like so good. Well, all of this has been delicious. I had a great time. I hope you had a great time too.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for coming.
No, and thank you. What would you like to say to our followers before we sign off?
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank
and
you.
all your visitors can come visit us at 822 Southwest 19th Street, San Antonio, Texas, West Side, and follow us on Instagram or Facebook.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And make sure you tell them Eat Drink Local Texas sent y'all. Bye. It's Leanne with Eat Drink Local Texas, and today we're at an iconic restaurant located in the west side of San Antonio. Sorry. She did not. So good.
The Puffy is an awesome little meal.
Perfect. Oh, can we? Sorry, can I get a? Yeah. I was gonna get a. I'm like,
No.
I was like, how do I do?